Hello, everyone. Now we study some important questions for board exam 2025 based on alternating current. Lecture number 2. PS question lecture first में कराए थे मैंने. Lecture number 2. Fill in the blanks. Let's see the alternating quantity in the first half cycle. तो देखिए, for alternating sinusoidal I के भी लिए बात करें, sinusoidal करवाएगा. फर्स्ट हाफ साइकिल पॉजिटिव, सेकेंड हाफ साइकिल नेगेटिव. यहाँ आपका आंसर आएगा पॉजिटिव और रिमेनिंग हाफ साइकिल में वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? नेगेटिव. दैट्स क्लियर. नेक्स्ट, द वैल्यू ऑफ ऑल्टरनेटिंग क्वांटिटी फॉर कंप्लीट साइकिल. तो कंप्लीट साइकिल के लिए देखिए, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव बोथ हैविंग सेम मैग्नीट्यूड एंड अपोजिट डायरेक्शन. तो कंप्लीट हाफ साइकिल में वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा? तो दैट्स क्लियर. नेक्स्ट, the maximum value of alternating quantity is called peak value. देखिए, जैसे अल्टरनेटिंग वोल्टेज लें, करंट लें, कुछ भी लें, मैक्सिमम वैल्यू होती है आपकी, तो हम क्या कहेंगे? पीक वैल्यू. दैट्स क्लियर. AC ammeter and voltmeter always measured RMS value. RMS root mean square value. That's clear. Next, the current obstacle means oppose करना, विरोध करना. Capacitance circuit it's called reactance. Capacitive reactance. Capacitive reactance XC 1 upon omega T. That's clear. For a resonant circuit, the ratio of inductive reactance at resonance and the resistance of the circuit is called. For resonant circuit, the ratio of inductive reactance at resonance and resistance means XL upon R. XL omega L upon R is called quality factor. That's clear. Next, in an alternating circuit, the combined obstacle produced in the path of current due to the combined series RLC impedance Z. Z means combined series RLC circuit के लिए XL minus XC full square. Impedance आएगा बेटा. The ratio of average power and apparent power. Average power RMS, IRMS, cos theta. The cos of theta equal to P bar RMS, IRMS. बार क्या हुआ बेटा? एवरेज पावर VRMS IRMS क्या हुआ? apparent power. It's called power factor. Cos theta means power factor. That's clear. Next, the generator and motor of alternating current are compared to the generator and motor of direct current more strong and convenient. More strong, यहाँ क्या आ जाएगा बेटा? More strong and convenient. AC जनरेटर मोटर DC के रेस्पेक्ट में more strong and convenient होगा. That's clear. When a pure inductance L is connected in an alternating current circuit, then the alternating current lags behind the electromotive force. देखिए, in presence of inductor, alternating current lag behind by phase angle pi by 2 from electromotive force. So lag behind of angle pi by 2. That's clear. Next, transformer is an electric device. Based on the principle electromagnetic induction. EMI, और इसमें भी क्या होगा? म्यूचुअल mutual induction. Mutual induction. The transformer based on mutual induction. Working of transformer based on mutual induction. For a complete cycle, the square root of the mean value of square instantaneous alternating current is called RMS value. RMS value. RMS root mean square. RMS value. It's called RMS value. The value of power factor for pure capacitive phase angle pi by 2, तो पावर फैक्टर cos of theta cos pi by 2 इक्वल टू 0. तो प्योर कैपेसिटिव के लिए पावर फैक्टर क्या होगा बेटा? 0. द वैल्यू ऑफ पावर फैक्टर फॉर सीरीज LCR resonating cos theta R upon Z at resonant Z minimum is equal to R upon R is equal to 1. That's clear. For direct current, the inductive reactance direct current for DC, frequency of DC 0, XL is equal to omega L is equal to 2 pi FL. तो हो गया बेटा इंडक्टिव रिएक्टेंस. कैपेसिटिव रिएक्टेंस 1 upon omega C 1 upon 2 pi FC क्या हो जाएगा? इनफाइनाइट. तो कैपेसिटिव रिएक्टेंस इनफाइनाइट. दैट्स क्लियर. When pure capacitance C is connected in an alternating circuit, the electromotive force lag behind the current by phase angle of pi by 2. तो देखिए pure capacitive electromotive angle pi by 2 from alternating current pi by 2. भाई देखिए प्योर कैपेसिटिव के लिए IC होगा ये V नॉट C, तो फेज एंगल पाई बाई 2. ओके. करंट की बात करें तो करंट आगे रहेगा. इन एन RLC alternating current circuit, the condition of resonance XL minus XC, net reactance is 0, XL is equal to XC. That's clear. The ratio of resistance and impedance is called cos of theta. Power factor R upon Z. It's called power factor. That's clear. The efficiency of an ideal transformer. 100%. देखो efficiency ideal condition में हमेशा कोई भी डिवाइस हो 100% होगा. Actually it is not possible. लेकिन आपको ऑन पेपर बताना होगा. In an RLC alternating circuit, in the condition of resonance, the formula of resonant frequency at resonant condition XL is equal to XC, omega L is equal to 1 upon omega C, omega square 1 upon LC. At resonant omega R is equal to 1 upon root LC. ये क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? 2 pi FR 1 upon root LC. FR is equal to 1 upon 2 pi root LC. ये मैंने आपको समझाने के लिए बताया है. आपको डायरेक्ट लिखना है pi root LC. That's clear. Okay. Thank you. Next question, next lecture में आपको बताएंगे, next वीडियो में बताएंगे. Okay. Thank you.